In this video, we will find about how Python release cycle works, branches, production ready, final releases, release candidates, and what are the different releases names, etc. and more. Python uses a major.minor.micro nomenclature for production ready releases. What it means is, if we say Python 3.8.2 final, it means that the Python release is a major version of 3, a minor version of 8, and a micro version of 2. What is the difference between them? Well, Python's new major versions are exceptional because these are planned very long in advance and they only come when the developers need to make strongly incompatible changes which are necessary. As for the new minor versions, these are feature releases and they get released annually from the current in development branch. So, for example, the upcoming version Python 3.9, which is set to be released on October 5, 2020, around 1 year after Python 3.8, which was made available in October 2019. Python 3.9 was originally scheduled to be released in April 2021, according to the earlier prevalent 18-month release cycle. But as per Pact 602 by Python code developer Lukasz, Python has moved to an annual release cycle now, and therefore Python 3.9 is being released 1 year after the release of Python 3.8. As for the new micro version, these are bug fixes releases. They get released roughly every 2 months and they are prepared in maintenance branches. In addition to these, non-final versions are also published with an additional qualifier, alpha, beta, and release candidate. Please note that these versions are aimed at testing features by advanced users and are not meant for production use. So first let's talk about the master branch. There is a branch for each feature version, whether release or not. For example, 3.10, 3.9. There is one in development or main branch or master branch. This master branch is a branch for the next feature release and it is under active development for all kinds of changes, be it new features, semantic changes, performance improvements, or bug fixes. Next we have maintenance branches. During the life cycle of a release, a new maintenance branch, for example 3.9 is created, which can host all bug fixing activity for further micro versions in a feature version. 3.9.1, 3.9.2, etc. This maintenance branch is created at the time of entering beta, for example 3.9.0 beta 1. Maintenance branch is a branch for a previous feature release which is currently being maintained for bug fixes. There are currently 2 maintenance branches at any given time for Python. Releases that are produced from a maintenance branch are called maintenance or bug fixes releases, and these releases have a micro version number greater than 0. The only changes allowed to occur in a maintenance branch without debate are bug fixes. Also, a general rule for maintenance branches is that compatibility must not be broken at any point between sibling minor releases 3.9.1, 3.9.2, etc. Then we have security branches. A branch which is less than 5 years old but no longer in maintenance mode is a security branch. Only changes made to a security branch are exploitable by attackers such as crashes, privilege escalation, and other issues such as denial of service attacks. Any other changes are not considered a security risk and thus not backported to a security branch. These releases have a micro version number greater than the last bug fix release. Then are end of life branches. The code base for a release cycle which has reached end of life status is frozen and no longer has a branch in the repo. Final state of the end of the life branch is recorded as a tag with the same name as the former branch, for example 3.3 or 2.6. For reference, some of the Python versions that most recently reached their end of life are 3.4 branch, which was first released on 16th March 2014, reached its end of life status on 18th March 2019. Similarly, the 2.7 branch, which was released on 3rd July 2010, reached its end of life status on 1 January 2020. As regarding the status as of May 2020, the master branch as of today is that of Python 3.9, which is in the feature status. The 3.8 branch, which was first released on 14th October 2019 and has end of life date of October 2020, which is after the 5 years of that of its release date, has a current status of bug fix. The 3.7 branch, which was first released on 27 June 2018 and has end of life date of 27 June 2023, also has the current status of bug fix. Whereas the 3.6 branch, which was first released on 23 December 2016 and has end of life date of 23 December 2021, has a current status of security. As is also the case with the 3.5 branch, which was first released on 13 September 2015 and has end of life date of 13 September 2020. Regarding the different status, the feature status means that the branch accepts new features, bug fixes and security fixes. For the pre-release status, feature fixes, bug fixes and security fixes are accepted for the upcoming feature release. In the bug fix status, the bug fixes and security fixes are accepted and new binaries are still released, also called the maintenance mode or stable releases. For the security status, only security fixes are accepted and no more binaries are released, but new source-only versions can be released. In the end of life status, release cycle is frozen and no further changes can be pushed to it. You can find the latest release for each Python version on the download page of python.org. There are different stages of development in Python. One is pre-alpha, at which code developers start getting in changes that change semantics or add something to Python. As such, things should not be added in the beta. Otherwise, no new restrictions are in place while in alpha. Next is beta. After the first beta release is published, no new features are accepted. Only bug fixes can now be committed. This is when code developers concentrate on the task of fixing issues filed by users who have downloaded the alpha and beta releases. Then comes the release candidate or RC. A branch preparing for an RC release can only have bug fixes applied that have been reviewed by other code developers. Generally, these issues must be severe enough, for example crashes, that they deserve fixing before the final release, and stability is the strongest concern at this point. At last comes the final stage. After the final release is published, the full development cycle starts again for the next minor version. Each release of Python is tagged in the source code with a tag of the form v x dot y dot z t n, where x is the major version, y is the minor version, z is the micro version, t is the release level, a for alpha releases, b for beta releases, and rc for release candidate, and null for final releases. And n is the release serial number. So some examples of release tags are v 3.7.0
A1, V 3.6.3, V 2.7.14 RC1. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching this. If something is not clear to you, you can watch this video again. After that, if you still have some confusion or query, leave a comment below with your questions. If you like this video, please let us know in the comment section below. Thank you.